Hi and welcome to our next project. In this project, we're going to be sorting out the other side of this doorway. We've got one problem first. We've got shoes, coats, boots, even car cleaning products all get dumped here. So when you want to build something that's going to hide it all away, you don't know it's there, but when you can leave, you can grab it and go. We're going to do that now. Okay, so we're going to have two panels either side of the door as we come in. These are just going to look like panelled walls. Something like this, panels around the outside. On this panel we're going to have an electric board, we're going to have sets of shoe racks here. On this panel we're probably going to have some sort of seat that we can pull out just to put your boots on. On this door maybe some sort of boxes. And up here we're hoping to have our coats hung up on little racks. Obviously when the doors are all closed you won't see anything, you'll just see a nice panelled porch. Maybe panels on the top as well just to break it up a bit. Let's get building. So we've cut all the wood now from the frame and we've used 65 by 38 millimeter CLS timber and we're going to use 12mm MDF for the doors. And with the doors, just to make them a bit stronger, we're going to put doubled up sections on either side and maybe a crossbar. Okay, so we've made the frame up now and we've put one set of screws in. Before we screw it up, we've been around and checked with the normal set square. The other thing you can also do is to measure diagonally right the way across. Measure diagonally across and check both measurements are the same, then you square. Give it a little tap either way, and then when you finally screw it up, check it again. this is our secret storage, all finished now. No handles, you simply press on the door and it pushes the door open just enough to be able to open it. We've got all of our shoes and boots here and the car cleaning products across the top. So it's all nice and handy. They've also hidden the electric board away. Right, so one last thing, we're going to build the framework, and this is what I have to put up with. This is who's doing the camera work. That was a previous outtake that went wrong. This is our secret storage. No handles, you can press this. It opens just enough so you can open this up and reveal all the shoes, and as we said, the car cleaning products across the top. Down here is our electric board. Just get them off the hinges. Nice. Leave that side.
Yeah. That side good.
Yep. Some plunkers left a ladder here.
Yeah.
There's a hinge. Crap me tile. I should go with that.